How to set up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone. Hey everyone, in this video I'll guide you through setting up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone to help manage and monitor their device activity. Let's get started. First, on your own device, Android or iPhone, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Google Family Link for Parents app. This app allows you to set up and manage the Family Link account. On your child's iPhone, open the App Store and search for Google Family Link for children and teens. Download and install this app. This is the version designed for the child's device. On both apps are installed, open Google Family Link for Parents on your own device and log in with your Google account. If you don't already have a Family Link set up, you'll be prompted to create one. In the Family Link app on your device, go to Set up Family Link and select Add a Child. Follow the instructions to create a Google account for your child or link an existing one if they already have a Google account. Now, on your child's iPhone, open Family Link for children and teens and log in with the Google account you just created or linked. The app will guide you through granting permissions for Family Link to monitor and manage activities on the child's iPhone. So once linked, you can manage screen time, approve apps, and set usage limits right from the Family Link app on your device. These controls will now apply to your child's iPhone. And that's it, you're all set up with Google Family Link on your child's iPhone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.